If you're dreaming of a charming coastal getaway in Italy that blends history, delicious food, and crystal-clear beaches, Bari should be at the top of your travel bucket list. Located in the sun-kissed region of Puglia, Bari offers a unique taste of southern Italy away from the usual tourist crowds. This vibrant port city along the Adriatic Sea is full of ancient streets, historic churches, stunning seafront promenades, and an authentic Italian lifestyle that makes you feel instantly at home. Whether you're a history lover, foodie, beachgoer, or adventure seeker, Bari has something to captivate you. From its medieval old town to modern boulevards, this city invites you to wander, indulge, and explore at your own pace. In this guide, we'll take you through the 8 best things to do and places to visit in Bari, Italy that will make your travel experience unforgettable. So grab your gelato, put on your walking shoes, and let's explore the hidden charms and must-see sights of Bari, one of Italy's best coastal cities you've probably never heard enough about. No trip to Bari is complete without wandering through Barivecchia, the city's captivating old town and one of the top tourist places in Bari, Italy. This maze of narrow alleyways, stone houses, and open piazzas is where history and daily life beautifully intertwine. As you stroll its cobblestone streets, you'll encounter locals making orecchiette pasta by hand, centuries-old churches, and colorful markets. It's an authentic taste of southern Italian culture. Don't miss the Basilica di San Nicola, a Romanesque gem housing the relics of St. Nicholas, which draws visitors from around the world. Barivecchia is more than a historic site. It's the heart of the city, filled with charm, community, and stories. Whether you're admiring ancient architecture or enjoying an espresso in a sunlit square, this is one of the best places to visit in Bari for an unforgettable cultural experience. Located in the heart of Barivecchia, the Basilica di San Nicola is one of Bari's most important landmarks and a must-see for travelers seeking history and spirituality. Built in the 11th century, the basilica houses the relics of St. Nicholas, the beloved figure who inspired Santa Claus. This grand Romanesque structure attracts pilgrims from around the world, especially from the Orthodox Church. Inside, you'll find a stunning vaulted ceiling, ancient mosaics, and a peaceful crypt that offers a quiet space for reflection. The basilica is not only a religious site, but also a symbol of Bari's cultural identity. If you're searching for tourist places in Bari that combine history, architecture, and devotion, this is the perfect destination. Stretching along the Adriatic coast, the Lungomare Nazario Sauro is one of the most picturesque spots in Bari. This wide, palm-lined promenade is ideal for a morning jog, an afternoon walk, or a romantic sunset stroll. It offers stunning views of the sea, charming street lamps, and historic buildings that reflect Bari's mix of old and new. You'll see fishermen tending their boats, locals enjoying gelato, and tourists taking Instagram-worthy photos. The Lungomare is a top travel experience in Bari, providing a peaceful escape with sea breeze, panoramic views, and a touch of Italian romance. Step into Bari's medieval past with a visit to the Castello Normanno-Svevo, a 12th century fortress originally built by the Normans and later reinforced by Emperor Frederick II. Located near the old town, this castle boasts massive stone walls, moat-like structures, and exhibition halls that explore Bari's history. As you walk through the ramparts and inner courtyards, you'll get a true sense of Bari's military and architectural heritage. It's a must-visit for history buffs and one of the best tourist attractions in Bari for families, solo travelers, and culture seekers. Craving a day by the sea? Head to Pane Pomodoro Beach, Bari's most accessible and beloved public beach. Located just minutes from the city center, this stretch of golden sand offers calm waters, sunbeds, and a laid-back atmosphere, perfect for a summer escape. Whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or sipping cold drinks from nearby kiosks, this beach is ideal for relaxing like a local. It's also a great stop for budget-friendly travel in Bari, offering beautiful seaside views without the high price tag. A perfect mix of city and shore. No visit to Bari is complete without sampling the local cuisine, and the city's markets are the best place to start. The Mercato del Pesce, fish market, and Mercato Coperto di Santa Scholastica offer an explosion of flavors, aromas, and colors. From freshly caught seafood to local cheeses, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes, this is a food lover's paradise. Chat with vendors, sample delicacies, and experience the lively atmosphere of authentic Southern Italian culture. These markets are more than shopping spots. They're essential Bari experiences. Include them in your Bari travel itinerary for a true taste of Puglia. If you're passionate about culture and the arts, don't miss the stunning Petruzzelli Theater, one of the largest opera houses in Italy. Originally opened in 1903, it was rebuilt after a fire in the 90s and now dazzles with grand interiors and world-class performances. Even if you don't catch a show, guided tours offer a peek into the theater's history and opulence. Its blend of culture, beauty, and acoustics make it a top tourist place in Bari for those looking to experience Italy beyond the typical landmarks. Just an hour from Bari, Alberobello is a UNESCO World Heritage Site famous for its truly unique whitewashed houses with conical roofs. It's like stepping into a storybook. Wander the narrow lanes, visit small artisan shops, and enjoy rustic Apulian dishes at family-run restaurants. Though not in Bari itself, Alberobello is one of the best day trips from Bari and adds unforgettable charm to your Puglia travel experience. Combine city life with countryside magic for the ultimate southern Italy adventure. Bari is a city where tradition meets modernity, where ancient stones whisper stories of the past and the sea glimmers with the promise of new adventures. Whether you're exploring old churches, soaking in the sun on local beaches, or feasting on the region's rich flavors, Bari offers something for every traveler. With its genuine hospitality, stunning coastlines, and deep historical roots, Bari is more than just a stop in Puglia. It's a destination worth staying for. It's one of the best places to visit in southern Italy, especially for those looking to escape the typical tourist routes and discover the authentic heart of Italy. So pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready to fall in love with Bari. Your next unforgettable travel story awaits. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.